Meet your cleaning ally, the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL, a revolutionary vacuum that brings convenience, efficiency, and powerful performance to your home. This review delves into the exceptional features of the Shark IQ robot, showcasing its self-emptying capabilities, smart navigation, and cutting-edge technology that make it a must-have for every household. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Never empty again. Bid farewell to the hassle of frequent emptying. The Shark IQ robot introduces a game-changing feature, an innovative self-empty base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. No more interruptions for disposal. This vacuum takes care of the dirty work, ensuring your home stays clean for an extended period. Powerful suction, impeccable clean, equipped with deep cleaning power, the Shark IQ robot tackles large debris, small particles, and pet hair on both carpets and floors. Experience the ultimate clean as it effortlessly pulls up dirt, hair, and debris from every surface in your home. No more compromising on cleanliness. The Shark IQ robot delivers superior suction performance. Smart cleaning with IQ navigation. Take a step into the future of cleaning with IQ navigation. This intelligent system enables total home mapping, allowing the Shark IQ robot to methodically clean row by row and navigate seamlessly from room to room. Enjoy a thorough and efficient cleaning experience tailored to the unique layout of your home. Self-cleaning brush roll for hassle-free maintenance. Tired of dealing with tangled hair on your vacuum brush roll? The Shark IQ robot features a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and engages hardwood floors without any hassle. Engineered to pick up more hair and designed to be an anti-hair wrap, this vacuum ensures your cleaning sessions are smooth and maintenance-free. Convenient control at your fingertips. Effortlessly schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms using the Shark Clean app. Alternatively, enjoy the convenience of voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Shark IQ robot puts you in control, allowing you to tailor your cleaning preferences to fit your schedule and needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.